Jan, always good to have you on Jobs Friday. Just quickly, give me your take on the number.
I thought it was obviously a strong payroll gain and therefore encouraging after a couple of more disappointing numbers. I think we also learned that the explanations for the weaker numbers in April and May, namely seasonals probably weighing on job growth and probably some impact from the unemployment benefits and labor supply, that those probably are pretty good explanations. So I think it was reassuring in that sense. At the same time, the weaker household survey and the slightly higher unemployment rate underscores how far we still have to go to get back to more normal employment conditions.
Yeah. What, if anything, did we learn from this report, Jan, about the so-called labor shortage and obviously on the other side of that, the significant increase in wages that we've seen?
I mean, I think we learned that the labor shortage is to some degree probably driven by the still very unusual conditions we're in, the unusually high benefits, which are putting a lot of upward pressure on wages at the bottom end of the income distribution, with a very high increase, 1% overall, 2% among production and non-supervisory workers in wages in the leisure and hospitality sector. I think that's a really key observation. But I also think that, the pandemic is still a factor in the labor supply. And so I do think that at the moment, there are definitely shortages, but I also think that over the next several months, we should see a large increase in labor supply as all of this normalizes to a significant degree.
Yeah, and I would suggest that, the Federal Reserve probably looking for an opportunity to be patient about whether they make determinations about labor supply, whether, in fact, the market is tighter than they have anticipated. So how would you say that this is going to be taken or feed into the Fed's stance and what they're looking to see develop over the summer?
I don't think it's really going to change the debate very much. There are obviously some differences of opinion on the committee at the moment, and there are some that would like to start tapering pretty soon, but it still seems to me that the consensus view and the leadership view is probably going to be to wait. So our forecast remains that the tapering announcement is going to come at the December meeting to start in early 2022. And I think, especially if you look at the continuing jobs shortfall and the household survey, that has been, I think, supported by these numbers today. But I don't think it changes the debate substantially.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.